It's your boy DQ, you already know, nigga, 2012. I told you I'm ripping everything, nigga. Check out the Don was playing, man. Listen to me, man. All these fucking niggas out here telling, man, I don't know who to trust, nigga. I don't wanna be down with nobody, nigga. I roll dolo, nigga. Fuck everybody, man. Word. Listen, I ain't trying to be down with them. How the fuck you real? Your man's a snitch, you still walk around with him. I don't care about your cash. I still think you tellin' if you get caught and come home fast. It's 2012, nigga, fuck get past. You get fucked up fast for being loud, nigga. Puff pass, the type to roll up, suck up last. How you ballin' but you still go half? That's some fucked up math. DQ to Don, I gotta say I'm blessed. True religion top to bottom, I stay fresh. Wardrobe look like 125th. The freshest niggas gone, rest in peace, Young Piff. And Big B's, real G's. They represented for the NYC. Yonkers, New York, the place I be. I rep the whole, you already know I rep the hood where everybody conquers. DQ to Don, you represent Yonkers where niggas go bonkers. My niggas don't play, and niggas act stupid, y'all can all die today. I grew up with ballers and shot callers. I grew up with the ballers and only shot callers. I grew up with the ballers, shot callers. I grew up with the ballers and only shot callers. Yeah. And I freestyled the fucking hook, nigga. You already know, nigga. Listen, man. A lot of shit come from the brain, man. That's all, man. I'm DQ the fucking Don, nigga. Yeah. Slumtown, you already know, nigga. I'm representing all day, the whole, nigga. 2012, nigga. You already know, man. I spit that fire. And niggas wanna track with me, you already know where to find me, man. I'm everywhere. Holla at me. Just give me a pound and be like, yo, DQ, we need to get up, man. We need to get on the fucking track together, man. Let's do this, man. We need each other. One. And stop snitching, niggas. Word.